Hello everyone. So this is my old phone, like my new phone's the one that's recording this. It got bricked like a really while ago. It might have been must have been at least 2 years ago because it was like pre-COVID. As you can see in this port that it's gunked up. I didn't put like a plug in it, and so it got a bunch of garbage in there. You can see it's actually falling apart. Like, I didn't intentionally do that, but it's just that it's been kind of in somewhere that it shouldn't be, and so that's happened. Also, the actual camera got destroyed from some material from work. But yeah, it's just I can't turn it on anymore, and I have a whole bunch of photos and stuff that I'd like to get out of here if I can. But I don't know if this is dangerous to me to just casually pry this open with my hands. I haven't really fiddled around with phones in this kind of way before. So I hope it's all safe. But I'm hoping that I can just find what I need to. Oh, and there's the camera. Oh, that's kind of funny. What does that say? I see. I haven't looked at like the internals of a phone before. Oh, they have that. That thing is visible on the other side. Well, that's neat. Just seeing these kinds of internals. Is this a battery? It looks like I need probably terminal screwdrivers, I would say, just to deal with all of this stuff. So I'm going to go and grab some of those. Also, this battery seems a little puffed. I guess that's... I don't know if that's normal. I don't know. I'll come back up here with some terminal screwdrivers.